and welcome back. Hello and welcome to Star Stable, and I finally figured out how to record this, and I'm super duper excited. And so today we are here to do that, and I just opened up the stall door, and I'm not a star rider, so I don't have any other horses, but this is my starter horse, and he's Wish Brother, and he is amazing, and he's maxed out. And so I thought I'd come and we just bathe him first, and then we could go and we could just explore. And so this is really exciting news for me, because if you watch my channel often, you might have heard me complaining about how I couldn't figure out how to do it. So yeah, I am super excited, and yeah. So Wish Brother is quite an amazing horse. As you see, I've got my first place medal for the Moorland Championship, and I will show you. Whoopsies! Never put on your saddle before putting on your saddle pad. It'll hurt your horse. And then I've got these nice hoof things. I was going to use these, but I have a slight suspicion. I'm not sure if it's true, but I think that they slow your horse down, and maybe it's just me, but I don't know. I just wear those for now, and then when I go to the North Pole, I use the other ones. So I'm so excited. So today I'll just tell you what tack I've got on. Easy, boy. Settle. Back. Easy. So I just got tacked up, and then now we're going to go and we're going to give him a nice bath. And so this is Wish Brother, and he is a Yorvik warm blood. And I'm Helen Upler Road in the game. But I didn't know that you can name your horse and you can name your rider. So I just thought it was automatic what name you got chosen. So that's why his name is Wish Brother. But I'm quite happy with the name Wish Brother, because it's nice. Because he's sort of like a wish. Because he's quite good at winning competitions. And I'll show you my medals. And then, so yeah, I am so glad that this could happen, because this means that I will almost certainly every single day do a video. And I'm sorry, I didn't know that this was going to decide to work today, so I didn't actually save any training for us to do. And why isn't my medal showing? I want my medal to be showing. I need to take it off and put it back in a few minutes. But so here I've got my other saddle. It's my Western saddle and my Western bridle. Of course, I've also got my starter gear in the closet. But so what I'm wearing is I'm wearing this saddle pad, which I got in Moorland. And then I'm wearing the Fort Pinta saddle, which you can get in Fort Pinta. And then I'm wearing this bridle, which I got in Yorvik City Mall. So this is my closet. I've got my starter gear pants. I've got my starter gear top and my beige Miradero sweater. I don't wear that one because the Bobcat one is better for me. And then I've got my starter gear shoes. And I've got my starter gear gloves. And I don't actually know what gloves I'm wearing right now, but I'll check. I've got Lushie's special occasion dress, and I barely ever wear that. And then I've got all these jackets. Novus riding jacket. I've got this paddock jacket. And I've got the Scalloper's crispy riding coat. And then I've got these caps. Right now I'm not wearing this. This is the Novus helmet. But right now I'm wearing this Santa Claus hat, because it gives me a lot of stuff. And I just pretend that there's a hard layer under it. Never ride without a helmet. That's my lesson. So you might be wondering why they're all empty in a different one. Is because I'm really organized. So sorry if I'm talking fast. I'm really excited and kind of nervous, but I shouldn't be nervous. But so here are my medals, and I don't remember what I got this from. I think it was a quest. And then I've got 3 first place medals. These are my Moorland Championship medals, and these are my Fort Pinta Championship medals. So I've got 3 third place, I've got 4 second place, and I've got 5 first place, because I've got 1 here. And then I've got 1 second place here, and I've got 4 first place for Fort Pinta. And let me see if this will work now. There we go. And why am I wearing that saddle? Ugh, sometimes this glitches like this. Excuse me. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm not wearing my Western saddle. But yeah, so I thought that we would just go for a trail ride maybe, do some of the races, and it's so fun. I'm glad that I figured out how to do this. And I won't tell you in today's episode what happened, because I'm going to save that for another day. And I'll also tell you how I got it to work so that any of you guys watching this could be able to sort of have an idea. But I use Screencast-O-Matic, so we're just going to do this race. And I am so close to getting gold rank. I'm so excited. And I'm also showing you a few shortcuts as you watch this video. So it is so cool, and we can finally... Kizzy was fun, and I might occasionally do some Kizzy videos, but we can finally sort of stop needing to do Kizzy videos. And for now, it's not too exciting what I'm doing, but sometimes, maybe later tonight, I might even do a championship thing where I show you guys me doing a championship. But I might not, because championships really they really wreck my nerves, so I really need to, like, sort of have that time to myself. So if I do one with the championships, then it won't be one where I talk to you guys very much. It'll just sort of be like you guys get to be there. And so far I'm getting a lot of first place ribbons, but you know, it's fine, but sometimes I get a second place. Like the day before yesterday, I got a second place in the Moorland Championship. So I didn't beat my record, but let me try that one again. One more time, and then we'll move on to going to Fort Pinta, and I'm going to show you guys what pony I want to buy if I ever got Star Rider. But I've honestly got 3 ponies that I'm going to have to pick between when I decide to buy a pony. So I'm so excited that I got to learn how to do this, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I know some of you people who watch me are more excited about my... Whoopsies. Okay, apparently we're not going to do this one. Start over. I'm not actually starting over. I'm just going to do... There we go. Okay, so now we're going to go for Pinta, and yeah, like I said, I'm not a Star Rider, so I don't have any special quests that I can do on camera, because I actually have completed every quest that is available to me. There's actually one left. It's called Test the Pony Championship, but I can't do that one because I don't have a pony. So, yeah, if and when I get Star Rider, a pony is probably going to be the second horse animal I buy, or the second thing I buy. Because first I want another horse. Not that Wish Brother is bad. Wish Brother is actually amazing for a starter horse. I'm actually going to give him a quick pet here. But Wish Brother is not actually quite bad. It's not bad at all for a starter horse. Just, I would like to get more horses because Wish Brother is getting older, and I'm never going to completely retire him unless he really needs it. But I think that eventually I'm going to need to stop making him be my horse that I always bring places, because he's getting older. And on Star Stable, I'm just going to say this here, but on Star Stable, horses don't ever need to be retired. But for me, I think that I would like to do that with a horse like him, because he's been great, and I wouldn't want to have a horse that's great and make them think that they were a bad horse by making them work until they were 101 years old. But he is actually a gelding, in my opinion. You can actually, with your horse, I think that you can choose if they're a mare. Ah! Oh my god! Oh. Okay, nothing. That was just, my brother ran through the door and I almost had a heart attack. So yeah, here I'm going to show you the horse that I'm thinking of buying. So I've got 3 possible ones, but the one that I'm thinking of buying is probably this Lipizzaner, because I love Lipizzanas, and so it's probably going to be this one. Or it's going to be this one. Probably not, because I just don't really like small horses. Maybe if I ever got a race horse, it would be him, or this one. And then, as a pony, I might get these Canamarag, but he's very expensive, so he might be like my second pony that I buy. He's expensive for a pony, I guess. So it's, yeah, it's really cool. My brother and my mom's biological father just came back from skiing and downhill skiing, and that's why you heard me jump, because they came in and my brother ran through and mom was chasing him, and they were sort of like not yelling, but they were sort of laughing very loud, and it just really shocked me when I suddenly realized. So the 3 possibilities of starter horses is there's this Jorvik starter pony, and I'm either going to get this one, or, because I actually know that if you put the horse in the braids, then they show you a special mark. Okay, 1 second. I just, or this one, or that one. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time. Bye! I know it's not maxed out. I'm sorry. It's fine. I need to go places.